Hello everyone. In this session, we will see the C++ program to perform insertion sort. So here we have so many insertion sort technique. One of the technique is insertion sort. So first of all, what do you mean by sorting? Sorting is arranging the elements in ascending or descending order. So in order to sort the element, we are using one methodology. That methodology or algorithm is called as insertion sort. Insertion sort method na use ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಸಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದಿದೆ, ಬೈನರಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಬಲ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ಸರ್ಷನ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್, ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್, ಮರ್ಜ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ now we are doing insertion sort. So these two are header files. One is for input and output, another for screen operations. Here we have a class called insertion. Class name is insertion. In public we have a function called isort. Isort is a function where we are performing sorting operation. So integer array size we are taking maximum 100, n to take n value, I and j for loop, and t for swapping, temporary variable for swapping the elements. So after that it is asking the user to enter array size. Array size it is asking because maximum we can store 100 values. Here array size is 100, so maximum we can store 100 values. Out of that, how many values you want to store, that is array size. So you can specify 5, 10 or how many elements you want to store. After that it is asking you to enter for the elements. So for example, n value is 5, then you have to enter for 5 values. After that it is using for loop to take the input. Using cin, it will accept for the input. Then you have a for loop for starting from first value to n value, and till n values these things will get repeated. J value is initialized to I until the j is greater than or equal to 1. Here it will check whether a of j is less than a of j minus 1. It is checking whether the value of a of j is less than a of j minus 1. So a of j value a of j minus 1 ಗಿಂತ lesser ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ swapping ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಹೇಗೆ swapping ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ a of j element will go to t. So now a of j is empty. In this a of j minus 1 will be transferred. Then a of j minus 1 is empty. In this a of j minus 1, whatever the element you have it in t, that will be transferred. t ಅನ್ನೋದು ಟೆಂಪ್ರರಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ a of j ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. a of j ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ a of j ಇವಾಗ ಎಂಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ a of j minus 1 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. a of j minus 1 ಎಂಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಪಸ್ t ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So after that j will be incremented and the loop will keep repeating until the while condition is false. So while condition we have whether the j value is greater than or equal to 1. Until this is satisfying, the while loop will get repeated. Now let's execute the program. Compile, no errors. So now you can go for execution. See here it is asking the user to enter array size. How many size you want, how many elements you want to have. You have to enter the array size. Say for example I am entering array size 5. So now it is asking to enter for array elements. What elements you want to enter? Enter any 5 elements. Randomly try to enter 5 elements. Okay. I think now you can see the output. First we have entered 32, 65, 85, 15, 42. Random order numbers. Below that we have a sorted number, that is 15, 32, 42, 65 and 85. Input alna now random numbers ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ 32, 65, 85, 15 and 42 ಅಂತ. ಸಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು 15, 32, 42, 65 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 85 ಅಂತ ಸಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ.